Hi, I'm Dorene MacVey, and I'm going to be leading a session on proactively managing conflict at the GEAPS Leadership Development Program in June. This is an important topic because it sets a tone for how you lead and the way people follow you. No one looks forward to conflict, but it exists in almost every workplace. Successful leaders don't shy away from conflict, but rather proactively navigate through it for a successful resolution. My background is in human resources, and I'm also a certified professional leadership coach. I understand how challenging workplace issues can be, and I know it's tough working in an environment where people constantly challenge you and push your buttons. But as a leader, effectively working with difficult people and situations is part of your job. In our session, we're going to be talking about conflict, but also solid communication skills that will help you build stronger relationships within your work teams. Strong communication skills will not only help you manage conflict in healthy ways, but it can help create a more engaging work environment. I'm excited to be sharing some strategies with you. And the goal of this session is to give you some very practical tools that can help you in your leadership role. I look forward to seeing you in June.